Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to link Trust Wallet to Treasure NFT. Open Trust Wallet and unlock your account to begin connecting to Treasure NFT. Use the D-Apps browser or Wallet Connect option on your mobile device to reach the Treasure NFT site and initiate connection. Verify the correct network, review signature requests carefully, and avoid approving unknown contracts to keep your assets safe. Also check for contract approvals before signing. Start by enabling the D-Apps browser in Trust Wallet or use Wallet Connect from the Treasure NFT site. Switch to the supported network and confirm you have enough native token for gas and approvals. Back up your recovery phrase offline and never enter it on any website. Close other wallet sessions and keep your device secure before connecting. These steps reduce risk and make the connections smoother when Treasure NFT requests permissions. When on Treasure NFT, tap the official Connect button and choose Trust Wallet or Wallet Connect to pair your account. Confirm the displayed wallet address matches your Trust Wallet address and review each permission request in detail. Approve only necessary contracts and avoid blanket approvals that grant unlimited token access. If a request looks unfamiliar, cancel and verify on the community or official channels before proceeding to reduce the chance of scam.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.